Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you a trade I took yesterday on gold, and I want to show you exactly the process step by step. Now I have some screenshots here, and I'll show you how I got to taking the trade. It was so easy, but first of all you must understand the basic concepts. What are you looking for in the market? What are you looking for? What's your thesis? Now the first thing that I look for is my thesis. How will the day evolve? Now we have our initial balance, the first hour of the open. That's our initial balance, and as you can see, the market failed to break above and they broke below the initial balance. So the market continued falling. So in my mind, I'm like, this is a broken down market. We are going down. It doesn't matter. My thesis is that we are going down now. Now I want to show you yesterday. This is a screenshot of when I came to the market. This is the first hour. As you can see, there's nothing on the right part, and the market failed to break above the initial balance. They broke down, and during the gap time between London and New York, the market came up in one push, two push. Now I'd come earlier before the first hour formed, and it was only this leg that was forming. So in my head I was like, we are either going back to for the third push and then we fall, or we come in three pushes, 1, 2, 3 pushes to the low to continue higher. But my thesis was we were going down. Now the first hour, this is 1 push, 2 push, 3 push. The first hour sets the high and the low of the session. The high and the low. What does the market do? The market gives us an N pattern with a break of structure and an engulfment. Now I want to show those people who don't understand the break of structure and the engulfment. Now it is crucial for you to understand how candles form and what they mean. When you look at a candle, you can know what exactly it means by the way it has formed. Now the market came up, then this pin was our lower low, then our higher high, then the lower low breaks below the higher high. So this bullish candle, once they broke below it, they broke structure. Because when you go to the ticks, well, because now it will be seconds, it would have formed a structure that looks like this, and then a break of structure. So this candle is this leg, this candle is this leg, this candle is this leg up, and this candle and this candle, it's the leg that has broken structure. So they've broken structure there. the same way they've broken structure here. So I hope those who don't understand the break of structure, you have a sense of it. Now, the engulfment. They've broken structure, so we are looking for a retest and an engulfment. Now look at this candle. I drew this line to show you where this candle ends, this bullish candle. This is the retest. And look at the following candle. It is bigger. So if this candle is bigger than this candle, then this is an engulfment. And in the other, well, if it's at the low, if this candle is bigger than this candle, it's the same, it's just that the colors are different. But understand that the engulfment means this candle is bigger than this candle. So this was my entry. This was the entry for a 50 pip move. Our stop loss above an easy 50 pip move. Now this setup, they went to the low of the day in the gap time. Well, they continued to the low of the day, as you can see. But the point is that once you know what you are looking for in the market, you start to see these things. And guys, don't expect that you will see these things in your first trade, 2 trades. It's all about knowing what you are looking for in the market and constantly being in the market, looking at the setups form in live time. That is when you get the experience. Me showing you this setup, I'm just opening your eyes. But when you do it practically yourself, you will understand, you will see these things. And guys, understand one thing also. We are not looking for perfection. We are looking for consistency. A setup that will be profitable in the long run, not in the short run. Alright? In the long run. Now, let's look at London, because I also have questions. People want to know how I trade London. I would trade London. Now, yesterday I was looking at the London session. And this was the London session. The first hour, of course, sets the high and the low of the session. But with my thesis in place. Now, before the market, whatever, did its thing in the first hour like that, this is what you have. The market has broken down. So in my mind, I know that the market this is a broken down market. And we have this push. So this is one push, 2 push. So I'm looking for another push to the high for me to enter. Now, the first hour, remember, the first hour sets the high and the low of the session. And with your thesis in place now, you can be able to wait for a setup to form. So, this is what the market gave yesterday. The market came up, gave us the first hour. The second hour continued higher, and then a break in structure. This is break in structure. They've already broken structure. And then gave us a very big engulfment. Now, the market yesterday was too volatile for me to enter. Anyway, I don't really trade the London session. I just like looking at the markets, and the more you are looking at the markets in lifetime, the more you can be able to refine your strategy, refine your setup. So, as you can see, the first hour here, the first hour sets the high and the low of the session. The second hour, they came, this is the New York session. The second hour, This is where they break structure. This is where they break structure, our first break of structure, and then a retest, and then the engulfment. This engulfment was too big. I think it was around 80 pips or something. It was over 100 pips. Wait. Yes, it was over 100 pips. Now, I'm not looking to trade. That is, if you have a very big account, then you can trade that, because the bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. So, in theory, assuming that I have an unlimited resources, this is my entry at that engulfment. My stop loss will be above. Wait, what's happening? Well, and that would have been my yes. And as you can see, the market really went down yesterday to the low of the session. Guys, so understanding and it works in all sessions. This strategy works in all sessions. Once you understand what you're looking for in the market, know your strategy, have a plan, and stick to that plan, whether it gives you profits or losses. And in the long run, you should do this in a demo account if you've not mastered what you are looking for in the market. Then do it for, say, 2 or 3 months and see. Trade for like do 100 trades. Wait, not 100. If you're trading 4 times a week, times 4, that is 16. 16 times 4, that's around. Do the math. It's around 50 trades. So if you do 50 trades and see how consistent it gives you, then you can be able to invest, and scale up whatever it is you want to do with the market. Anyway, hopefully I opened the eyes of a few people. Hopefully you got value from today's video. Do the work, put in the time, stay disciplined, stay focused, and may the markets go with you. Remember to take off the money off the table. If you make profits, take them off the table. Anyway, have a nice trading day. See you in the next video.